Here's a handy list of tips and tricks in Microsoft Word to help you work faster and smarter. The basic formatting tricks. To quickly select a word, just double-click a word. Now to select a sentence or paragraph, just triple-click a word in a sentence or paragraph. To clear formatting instantly. Select text, then press Ctrl spacebar to reset to default font. Now, use Ctrl-Shift-N key to apply normal style. To change case quickly. Select text, then press Shift-F3 key to toggle among lowercase, uppercase, and capitalize the first word. How to type any character. On Windows, desktop or laptop. Alt code method, numeric keypad needed. Press Alt key and 164 for small NE. Press Alt key 165 and T for big NE. Without numpad, laptop. Hold Alt key and use the function FN key, then the numeric keys if your laptop has a hidden numpad. Use the shortcut Ctrl, tilde, and N key for small caps of NE. Ctrl Shift, tilde, then capital N key for big NE. On Mac. Option plus N key, then type N for small NE. Option plus N key, then type Shift plus N for big NE. To quickly use find and replace formatting, just use Ctrl H to search and replace a word, character, etc. in the document. For example, I search the word past in the document and replace it for the word quick. Then click the button Replace to replace each search word in the document. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.